What's the meaning of Choctaw? Choctaw. Choctaw.
Choctaw. Choctaw. Choctaw refers to a Native American tribe that originally inhabited the southeastern United States. They were forcibly removed from their ancestral lands in the 1830s and forced to march 1,000 miles to Indian Territory, which is now Oklahoma. The Choctaw people have a rich culture, with traditional practices such as stickball and storytelling still being passed down through generations. Today, the Choctaw Nation is a federally recognized tribal government that provides services to its citizens such as healthcare, education, housing, and economic development programs.